Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode. What we have today is a beam that is attached to the concrete wall in these one-way anchors, these mushroom anchors, where you drive it in with a nail and then it's almost impossible to get out. So what I'm going to do today is show you a trick to getting this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a coring saw and try to core this out. The problem is this, the guide for these coring saws are usually in the center. So, you would insert this centering pin into this coring saw and then it'll guide you into where you gotta go. The problem is when we have a metallic object in the middle, it becomes problematic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a guide, an outside guide that will allow us to kind of follow through without the use of that center pin. So how we're going to do that is we're going to take a scrap piece of wood. This is a 1 by whatever, 1 by 2, 1 by that we picked off the floor. And what we're going to do is we're going to bore a hole and we're going to line it up with what we want to core out and use this scrap piece of wood as a guide. Alright, now that the guide has been created, we're going to kind of estimate it over the area and secure it. So in essence what we've done is we've created an outside guide to kind of bore our hole. We're going to use the same bit head and we're going to take out the centering pin. You want to go too deep and hit the concrete because it'll dull the blade. So we're going to rinse and repeat for the 2 holes towards the bottom. All right, now that we've kind of compromised its structural integrity, hopefully we can remove it easier than we were able to before. So apparently the cut wasn't deep enough. So there was enough wood to still retain the beam. Just to show you how strong wood fibers can be. So there. Yeah, this is the only one that came out, so we didn't cut enough of this thing and this thing right here. So if you're ever working on a project like this, make sure you cut it more than, do a better job of cutting than I did here. Anyway, hope this helped you. Good luck.